Hey adventurers, it's time to see the changes that happened in the herpetological world in the last year. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at all of the different ways that the taxonomy of these species has shifted for the US and Canada. There are sort of four different ways that I like to look at this. One is new discoveries, so this is a new species that nobody's ever seen before. Another is split. So we take one species and we split it into multiple lumps, where we take multiple species or multiple subspecies and we combine them together into one species, and taxonomic shuffles. So this might be something goes into a new genus, but the species are the same. Now, in the herpetological world, there are a number of different authorities for what the species are. For this video, we're looking at two. We're going to look at the amphibian species of the world, and we're also going to look at the reptile database. Now, actually, in the last year, amphibians and species of the world hasn't added any changes of note for the US or Canada. So we're just going to look at the reptile database. And for that, there's only been one thing, and it's actually a split. So let's talk about the coachwhip. We had two subspecies of coachwhips. These were in California and Arizona, and extending down into Mexico, and they have been combined and elevated into a separate species. So you can see that there. And this new species, I think, is going to be called the Red Coachwhip. And so you can see this is from the actual research paper. You can see here's where the distribution of the species is, just in the pink and the purple. So just those sections that you see in California, Nevada, Arizona, a bit of Utah, and portions of Mexico as well. And that is actually all of the updates. So I hope that this can help you stay informed, and we may start to see these changes in some other platforms as well, like iNaturalist, although they follow their own standard. And so we will see if that actually gets propagated to iNaturalist in the future. But thanks for watching, and I hope you find coachwhips and other species in the field.